Okay, revision for formulas and functions in MS Excel. What do you mean by formula? What is formula? Anybody? What do you mean by formula? Yes? What do you mean by formula? Anybody can unmute yourself and give answer. Rivya, Akshat.
Formulas are mathematical mathematical operations that help us to do calculations in MS Excel.
Okay, it is a mathematical expression that help us to do calculation. In this expression, we will have the operands and operators. Okay, we will have the operands and the operators that helps us to evaluate the result. Formula is a mathematical expression that includes operands and operators to evaluate the result. Okay. Okay, any example? For example, this is a formula is equal to D4 multiplied by E4 divided by F9. Here, various parts of formula are there. What are the various parts of formula in this? What are the various parts in this formula? Yes.
Operands and
Equal to sign,
Equal to sign,
operands,
operands,
operators.
and operators. Okay, equal to sign, operands and operators. Operands कौन से होते हैं? What are the operands?
D4, E4, F9.
Yes, the values on which the calculation will be done, that they are called operands. They are operands. And the mathematical symbols, they are called multiply, divide, plus,
Operator.
minus, they are called operators.
Operator.
Okay, the various parts of a formula are equal to sign, operands, operators. Okay, what are the two ways to enter a formula in a cell? What are the two ways to enter a formula in a cell?
We can directly type in the cell or we can write in the formula bar. It gets automatically inserted into the cell.
Two ways to enter a formula are, number one, we can directly type it in the cell or by using the formula bar. One, formula bar. Second, cell of a worksheet. We can enter the formula in the cell of a worksheet and we can enter the formula by using the formula bar. Okay. What are the two buttons present on the formula bar?
Cancel button.
Cancel button.
Enter button and cancel button. Two buttons on formula bar. Enter button and cancel button. So a formula is a mathematical expression that includes operands and operators to evaluate the result or for doing some calculation. There are three parts of formula. One is equal to sign. A formula or a function always starts with equal to sign. Three parts of formula. One is equal to sign. Second is operands on which the calculation will be done. And the third is operators. Operators. Two ways to enter a formula. One is by using the formula bar. Second is by using the cell of a worksheet. Okay, and two buttons, they are present on formula. Rather, there are three buttons: enter button, cancel button, and insert function button. Three buttons are present on formula bar. One is enter button, two is equal to the enter key on the keyboard. Second is cancel button, that is equal to escape key on the keyboard. And there is a third button, insert function button, to open the function wizard. Okay, next is, what do you mean by cell reference? Yes, Angad, what do you mean by cell reference? Anybody else? Jasleen, what do you mean by cell reference?
Ma'am, the cell address is a formula are also known as cell reference. There are many three types of cell reference.
Okay. Cell reference means any address of a cell. Address of a cell is called cell reference. Address of a cell is called cell reference. or you can say cell address is a combination of column name and row number. A column name and row number is called cell reference. So there are two definitions for cell reference. One is cell address, address of a cell in a formula. Second is the combination of column name and row number. They are called cell reference. There are three types of cell references, as Angad was saying. One is absolute, second is relative, third is mixed. In relative reference, you can say there is only a column name and row number. No symbol is there. That means when we copy the formula, automatically cell reference will update according to the copied cell, according to the cell on which we had pasted the formula. Cell reference will automatically change. But absolute cell reference, when we use it in a formula and copy it, cell reference will remain fixed. It will not change. Third is mixed cell reference, in which we can fix the, either a column number and relative row number, and we can have the fixed row number and relative column number. That means we can have the combination of both relative cell reference and absolute cell reference, in which either the column name will remain fixed and row number will change, and otherwise row number can be remain fixed and column name can be changed when we copy the formula. Okay. Next is function. What do you mean by function? Yes, Arman, what do you mean by function?
Functions are the predefined formulas that are used to perform tasks like multiply, divide, sum, minimum, maximum.
Functions are predefined formulas in Excel. They can be used to do calculations quickly, because in formulas we have to specify the each cell reference on which we want to do the calculation. But in formulas we can use the in functions we can use the range of the cell. We can give an adjacent number of cells collectively, and the calculation will be performed on them quickly, because we do not need to specify each and every cell. Suppose we have to do the sum of 20 numbers, 20 cells. So we do not need to define the 20 cells in the formula. We can define only the beginning cell, first cell, and the last cell, range of the cell, and it will calculate the sum by using functions. So like formula, function also has various parts. For example, is equal to sum bracket A1 colon A10, in this cell sum of total of 10 cells is performed. There are three parts of the function. One is equal to sign, second is function name, third is arguments. Arguments are always given in round brackets, and the round brackets are called parentheses. So equal to sign, formula will start or function will start with equal to sign. Function name, the name of the function, that is predefined formula जो already Excel में defined है कि these are the various functions. You have to pick that name according to the calculation that you want. Second is range of the cell on which the calculation is to be performed. The calculation is to be performed, that is given in within the brackets, within the parentheses. So in those brackets, we will define the first cell and the last cell separated by colon sign. Colon sign is used to give the range of the cell, to define the range of the cell on which we want to do the calculations. So various inbuilt functions are available. Many inbuilt functions are available. A few which are available for mathematical calculation are sum function to do the total of the various values. Then there is a average function to find the average of the values defined within the cell, within the range, within the parenthesis. Then there is a max function to find the largest value within the given range. जो number of cells हम यहाँ define करेंगे, उसमें से सबसे largest value, maximum value कौन सी है, that will be returned. Then there is a min function, that is to find the minimum value from the given range. Then there is a count function. Count function is used to count the number of values only. Count the number of values. For example, if I had given is equal to count A1 colon A10. So what will it return? It will return 10. If all the 10 cells are having number values. अगर 10 के 10 सेल में numbers enter हुए हैं तो it will return 10. Otherwise it may return अगर इसमें कम है या जितने number values हैं उतने cells it return करेगा. Next is product. Product to find the multiplication of all the cells. What do you multiply all the cells? जैसे हमने sum function use करना है, that is to add the cells, values in the cells. Similarly, we can use the product function to find the multiplication of all the values given in the range. Then there is a today function. Today function to find the date, current date. Whenever we enter the today is equal to today, it will enter current date, system date in a cell. Then there is a round function. Round function is used to give the round of the numbers. Points में जैसे is equal to round 45.89, 1. 1 means कितने digits तक round करना है. We had used this function practically. So कितने digits तक round करना है, that will be defined by putting comma, 1. So it will round off the values up to 1 digit, up to 1 decimal points. Any query till now? Any function जो आपको clear नहीं है, you can ask me. Any query till now? Okay, is everything clear? Shall I move forward? Yes, you can unmute yourself to give answer. Is everything clear? Hargun, Harman, Rishti, Angad, Akshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, everything is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, then I will go to the next. What is function wizard? Function wizard means when we can open the function dialog box, insert function dialog box from which I can select any function that I want to do some calculations. Functions can be mathematical, functions can be date related, functions can be trigonometry related, accounting functions, financial functions. So many functions are available. So you can find out the which function you want according to the category, and you can find open the function wizard by using two methods. One is by using the formula tab. Formula tab, you have the function library group. In function library group, you will find insert function button. So by clicking on this insert function button, insert function dialog box will appear from which you can choose the function that you want to use. According to the function, it will ask you to give the arguments within the parentheses. Whatever arguments are required according to the function, it will ask you, you will enter them, click on OK. That function will be inserted within the cell. One way is you know the function, you know the format to enter the function, you can type it by using the keyboard directly. आपको अगर function का पहले से पता है कि कैसे use करना है, you can type it. Otherwise, you can use the function wizard to insert the function. Function wizard will help you to insert the function. It will give you the arguments and you will enter them. Second is by using the function, you can open the function wizard by clicking on the insert function button on formula bar. I told you there are three buttons on the formula bar: enter button, cancel button, and insert function button. So insert function button you can click and it will open the same insert function dialog box that will be opened from the formulas tab. In that formula and function dialog box, you can choose the function that you want to use. Clear? Okay, next is AutoSum. What do you mean by AutoSum? AutoSum is a feature that is provided in MS Excel to do some already जो functions हमारे function wizard में हैं already, उसमें से कुछ mathematical functions जो बहुत commonly use होते हैं, जो हर कोई use कर सकता है या हर एक को जरूरत पड़ती है use करने की, they are given in AutoSum feature. They are given in AutoSum button. They had created a AutoSum button on the ribbon, and when we click on that AutoSum button, it will give you a list of mathematical functions to perform the operations directly. Already function wizard में सारे functions हैं, From them, only a few mathematical functions which are most commonly used by all people, they are added in AutoSum button, so that instead of opening the function wizard and finding the function, we can click on the AutoSum button and find the function. There are two methods to use the AutoSum again. One from Home tab, editing group, AutoSum option. It will give you a list of functions that you can use, from which you can select the function that you want. Second method to use the AutoSum is Formula tab, function library group, जहां से हमने insert function choose किया था. From that library group, we can have the AutoSum button. So by clicking on the AutoSum button, you will have a list of the functions, predefined functions, commonly used functions like sum, count, max, min, average. Same functions which we had used. Mathematical functions, that can be a list is there. You can just click on them and that function will be inserted within the cell. Instead of opening the function insert function dialog box and finding the function from a long list of functions, commonly used functions are given in the AutoSum feature or AutoSum button. This feature contains mathematical functions, very commonly used mathematical functions to perform the operations or to do the calculations directly. Two methods to open the AutoSum function. You learn the commands. आपको commands learn करनी है. You can be asked, what is the command for inserting the opening the function wizard? What is the command for using the AutoSum function, AutoSum feature? So there are two commands for using the AutoSum feature. One is Home tab, editing group, AutoSum. Second is Formula tab, function library group, AutoSum. So both the ways you can use the AutoSum feature. Okay. Next is, you have to give me the names. Now, what are the uses of various functions? What are the various functions that can be used to do this? Function to display current date. Which function is used to display current date? Today function, correct. Okay. Which function is used to display the minimum value? Min. Okay. Which function is used to display the largest value? Max. Okay. Max. Okay. Which function is used to find the average of numbers?
Average.
Okay. Okay. Average. Okay. Next is, which function key is used to modify a formula? When you want to modify or edit a formula, which function key will you press?
F11.
No. F11 is used to insert chart. F2. Same function key which is used to edit any cell. कोई भी cell को edit करना है, we will use the same function key F2. Whether it is a function, whether it is a normal text. Which function key is used to edit? That is F2. What do we call the range of adjacent cells? What do we call the range of adjacent cells? A group of adjacent cells. Range. A group of adjacent cells is called range. A range is given within the functions to perform the calculations. Okay, which symbol is used to separate the range of cells? Colon. Correct. Colon. Which symbol is used to separate the range of cells? Colon. Like A1, colon, A10. That means all the cells from within the range from A1 to A10. A1 से लेके A10 तक सारे cells included होंगे by specifying the range separated by colon. Okay. Next is, a formula always begins with
Equal to sign.
Equal to sign. A formula always begins with equal to sign. Okay, last one. What do we call the values on which the calculation is done? Variables on which the calculation is done? They are called operands. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you have to write the formula or function to do the following calculation. I'm giving you a few examples. आपको calculations करनी है. Find the sum of cells D1 to D8. What will be the formula?
equal to sum
bracket
D1 colon D8
colon
bracket
D8
close.
bracket
Okay,
close.
correct. Is equal to sum because we have to find the sum of all the cells from D1 to D8. ऊपर मैंने लिखा है formula or function. You can write both. So function we are writing because the many cells are there. So we will write the function is equal to sum D1 colon D8. Okay. Next is to find the average of cells from C11 to C20. Only one student will give answer now. Guneet. All of you will not say answers. Collectively answer nahi hoga. Guneet. Unmute yourself first. Yes. Arshia. Yes. Okay. Yes, Arshia. What will be the formula to find the average of cells?
Is equal to average bracket open C11 colon C20 bracket close.
Correct. Very good. Is equal to average bracket C11 colon C20. Okay. What is the next? Next is find the minimum value of the cells B5 to B15. Yes. Who will answer now? What will be the formula for calculating the minimum value of cells B5 to B15?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay.
Equal to main bracket B5 colon B15 bracket close.
Correct. Is equal to min bracket B5 colon B15. Okay. Anji, any doubt till now? Or shall I move to the next formula? Okay, next one is to find the product of cells A1 to A3. Find the product of cells A1. Okay, Khushi.
Product is equal to product bracket open
Yes.
A1 colon A3 bracket close.
Very good. Is equal to product A1 colon A3 within the brackets. Product is a function name. A1, A3 is the range or the arguments which are given in brackets, that is called parenthesis. Okay. Next is now add B5, C5 and divide it by F5. Now you have to give the formula because this cannot be done with the help of a function. Formula. How to add B5, C5 and divide it by F5. Who will tell now? What will you write?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Jasleen. Yes, beta?
Equal to B5 plus C5 slash divided by slash
F5.
F5.
Okay, correct. Is equal to B5 plus C5. But give these two values in bracket because first addition should be done, then it should be divided by F5. अगर हम bracket use नहीं करेंगे तो क्या होगा? C5 divided by F5 that will be performed first according to the BODMAS rule. So division पहले हो जाएगी. After that addition will be done. So to do the addition first we will use the bracket is equal to B5 plus C5 then bracket close divided by F5. So that first B5 plus C5 should add, the values of these two cells should add, then they should be divided by F5. So give brackets. Okay, next one is divide H1 by H2. Now who will give answer? Okay, yes, Drishti?
Equal to H1 slash H2.
Correct. Is equal to H1 divided by H2. Divide ka symbol forward slash. Okay. Okay. Next is you have to name the following symbols or buttons. Okay. You have to give the name of these symbols. What is the what is the name of the first symbol? What is the name of this symbol? Yes, Kushi? Arshia?
Ma'am, it is AutoSum.
AutoSum, correct. AutoSum button. This is the AutoSum button, which can be, you can find in a ribbon. What is the name of this second button? Yes. What is the name of second button?
Insert function.
Insert function button. Okay. Okay, next one is
Cancel button.
Cancel button.
cancel button. Correct. Next one,
Enter button.
enter button. Okay. And the last one,
Autofill handle.
autofill handle. Correct. When we place our mouse pointer on the bottom right corner to drag it so that we can copy the values or we can copy the formula, this handle will appear. When we place our pointer at the bottom right corner, this is called autofill handle. Clear? Is it clear to all of you? Any query in this chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Any query in this chapter? Yes. Yes, Kushi?
Yes, ma'am.
You raise your hand. You have any query?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Is everything clear in this chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody, any query in this chapter, you can ask me, beta, because today is your test of this chapter. Okay. And tomorrow we are going to revise another charts in MS Excel. So if anybody is having any query regarding any calculation or formula, you can ask.